Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's tutorial is all about a common Chrome issue you might have run into: missing app shortcut icons. These little icons are more than just decoration. They're shortcuts to your favorite websites and web apps, making your browsing flow so much smoother. If you've ever noticed those icons mysteriously disappearing from the bookmarks panel, or maybe you accidentally turned them off and aren't sure how to bring them back, you're definitely in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it and keep your handy shortcuts right where you need them. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Chrome browser and head to your bookmarks panel. That's the nifty bar just below your address bar, where all your favorite sites live. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. You can make it appear by clicking the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, going to Bookmarks, and selecting Show Bookmarks bar. Now, with your bookmarks panel visible, look for where you usually find your app shortcut icons. If they're missing, this is where we start troubleshooting. Here's what you want to do. Grab your mouse and right-click anywhere on a blank spot in the bookmarks panel. If you're on a laptop, you might need to use 2 fingers to do a right-click. When that little menu appears, you'll notice an option called Show App Shortcut. This is the magic button you're looking for. Go ahead and click on Show App Shortcut. It's super simple, but this tiny step is often all it takes to restore those app shortcut icons. As soon as you click it, you should see the icons pop right back into your bookmarks panel, usually in the spot where they've always lived. Let's pause for just a second. If you don't see the Show App Shortcut option, double-check that you're clicking in the right place and that your Chrome is updated to the latest version. Sometimes Chrome updates change how features appear, so making sure you're up to date can help. Now, why does this matter? Well, having those app shortcut icons front and center means you can launch things like Google Docs, YouTube, or whatever web apps you use most with just one click. It's kind of like having your most used kitchen tools right on the countertop. Everything's at your fingertips, saving you precious time throughout the day. If you ever decide that you want your bookmarks panel clean and minimal again, and those app shortcuts are getting in the way, removing them is just as easy. Just repeat the process. Right-click on the bookmarks panel again and click the Show App Shortcut option one more time. You'll see the icons disappear, allowing you to focus just on your bookmarked sites. It's totally up to you whether you want that extra convenience or a tidier look. Chrome lets you toggle this feature as much as you like. Don't worry if this takes a moment to find or if you're trying this on a different computer. Sometimes, settings can be a little hidden depending on your setup. Remember, Chrome's interface can change, so if you run into any trouble, let me know down in the comments and I'll be happy to help. So that's it. Now you know how to quickly fix the app shortcut icons if they go missing on Chrome, and how to turn them back off if you prefer. I hope this makes your browsing just a little bit easier and more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment with any questions or issues you ran into, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.